In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Todoist Boards, a fantastic tool for organizing your tasks visually. If you're new to Todoist Boards, don't worry, I'll walk you through the basic setup step by step, from creating a project to adding tasks in an organized manner. Let's get started. First, navigate to Todoist by opening your browser and entering the Todoist URL. Once you're there, you'll be on your main dashboard. Now, look to the left-hand side of the screen where you'll find a plus sign next to My Projects. This plus sign is your gateway to starting a new project. Click on it and you'll see an Add Project option. By selecting this, you're on your way to creating a new project space where you can organize your tasks. For this demonstration, type in a name for your new project. Think about something descriptive so you'll immediately know what the project is about when you glance at your list. Next up is choosing a color for your project, which is more important than it might seem at first glance. The right color can help you visually categorize and distinguish between different projects quickly, especially if you're managing multiple ones simultaneously. Now, decide on the workspace for your project. This step is crucial if you're working in a team environment or if you have different organizational levels, as it allows you to collaborate with others easily. If this is not necessary for you, simply proceed to the next step. You have the option to designate a parent project. This is particularly useful when you're breaking down large projects into smaller, more manageable parts. If you have overarching projects, consider making them parent projects to keep everything streamlined and easily accessible. You might also want to add your new project to your favorites. This is done by clicking Add to Favorites, which will ensure that your project is just a click away and can be accessed from your favorite tabs. Now, it's time to set up your project as a board view. Click on Board, which transforms your project into a Kanban-style board, making it visually appealing and intuitive. Boards are excellent for organizing tasks into different columns or stages. With your board set up, go ahead and click on Add to finalize these settings. Now you're ready to create sections for your tasks. Click on Add Section, where you can type a name for the section. Sections act as categories or stages within your board, helping you break down tasks logically. After naming your section, click again on Add Section to confirm it. Feel free to add more sections as needed to better organize your workflow. Finally, let's add some tasks. Click on Add Task within the section you've just created, type in your task, and press Enter. Your task is now part of your organized board. With these steps, you've successfully set up a Todoist board, created sections, and added tasks. As you get more comfortable, you can further customize your boards to better fit your workflow, making task management more efficient and enjoyable. Happy planning!